And Allah describes another rationale, a reason for which people pick other gods other than Allah, or besides Allah. They chose or they held on to other gods besides Allah as gods. لِيَكُونُوا لَهُمْ عِزَّةً, so that they may be a form of protection and domination for them. Izzah. Izzah, al-aziz man la yughlab. نقول al-aziz man la yughlab, the one who is not dominated. So they'll have these other gods to protect them from the troubles that lie ahead. That's why they pick different gods. Kalla, no, not at all. سَيَكْفُرُونَ بِعِبَادَتِهِمْ. The irony is, these same gods that they call on to protect them, Jesus, protect me. Saint so-and-so, protect me. Those same gods that they think are gods, they're going to be in denial of their worship. You never worship me, what are you talking about? I never asked to be worshipped. They're going to flat out deny it in their face. And if that wasn't bad enough, وَيَكُونُونَ عَلَيْهِمْ ضِدًّا, they're going to be in opposition to them. الضد هو العدو المخالف لك. وَالَّذِي يُحَاوِلْ أَنْ يُنَكِّلَ بِكَ, the one who tries to make an example out of you and says, that's the worst possible enemy. The staunch opponent, that's called a ضد. Literally, ضد means opposite. Meaning the exact opposite of where you stand is that one stands. The ones you used to worship will be the prosecution witnesses against you. The ones that you were hoping would come and testify for you will be the most vicious opponents against your case. وَيَكُونُونَ عَلَيْهِمْ ضِدًّا. أَلَمْ تَرَ أَنَّا أَرْسَلْنَا الشَّيَاطِينَ عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ. Didn't you notice that we are the ones, in fact, that unleashed, we sent the devils against the disbelievers. In other words, disbelievers chose a path of evil, and we allowed the shayateen to come and have their way with them on top of that. Once you pick the wrong path, then Allah opens it further. This is the tafsir of, نَمُدُّ لَهُمْ مَدَّ. When Allah extends, He just extends and extends and extends. So shayateen are released for them. And they come at them, تَأُزُّهُمْ أَزَّا. Azza ya'uzzu, and then azza, the masdar is there too. To slowly boil. Literally, as they say when you are making stew, and you keep the heat low, and it slowly boils. You ever see that wicked experiment? I know wicked is a Canadian word, but still. That wicked experiment where they kill a frog by slowly boiling it, and it doesn't even realize what happens to it? Before it realizes what's happened, it's too late already, it dies. It does a slow death. If you were to try to pour some hot water onto a frog immediately, what would happen to it? It would jump right out. But you slowly don't try it. But the reason I'm bringing it up is, that's the uzzuhum azza. He slowly incites them, slowly gets them to burn. Also, ta'uzzuhum azza means to get, how when the stew is ready, it boils. He slowly uses his way is to incite feelings into them and excite them about their causes, and they don't even realize they're being manipulated. They don't even realize they're being toyed with, that there's a fire underneath them doing it. So ta'uzzuhum azza. فَلَا تَعْجَلْ عَلَيْهِمْ. Don't rush in their case. Don't be in a rush to judge what their verdict should be. And don't be in a hurry to think, why don't they get guided, or why doesn't Allah just annihilate them altogether? No. إِنَّمَا نَعُدُّ لَهُمْ عَدًّا. No, we've got full count of them. We've got full count of exactly who they are. وَنُحْصِي سَيِّئَاتِهِمْ وَنَعُدُّ ذُنُوبَهُمْ قَبْلَ أَن تَنْتَهِي أَعْمَارُهُمْ كُلَّمَا طَالَتِ الْأَعْمَارِ كَثُرَتِ الذُّنُوبِ. We are going to keep count of everything they do. Don't worry about it. No need to rush. Let them have their long lives. Let them build piles and piles and piles of sin. يَوْمَ نَحْشُرُ